guys, Alex here. Welcome to video number 4 of the How to Set Goals series. Today we're going to talk about vision boards. Vision boards are super important because they help us visualize and see everything we want. Vision boards make everything seem so real, and your dreams no longer seem like something in the future. You feel like they're in the now, they're present. So that helps you really act as if all your dreams have come true and really challenge your reality to catch up. However, there is a right way to make vision boards and a wrong way to make vision boards. There's a reason why some vision boards don't work. I'm going to go over some common mistakes people make when doing vision boards. Keep watching and you'll find out. Here I made a mock-up vision board that'll help me explain why some vision boards don't work. These are all the things I put on my first ever vision board, except the get out of debt on the lower right corner. Let's go over the details. I put Wonder Woman here because I want to be a female badass who can fight off bad guys. Next up, Khaleesi, another female badass who can totally kick ass. I will do what queens do, I will rule. Next one is Lara Croft, and it says stay focused. And I've always wanted to learn archery, by the way. Next up is a Dr. Seuss quote. It says, "You have to be odd to be number one." I put this here to remind myself that it's okay to be different, because in order to become the best, you need to stand out, right? The next one is a picture of a vacation villa. I put this here because I want to live that laptop lifestyle. I want to be able to work wherever I want, whenever I want. Next up is a picture of a luxury high-end building. I want to buy a penthouse in this building. I put get out of debt here because a lot of people have get out of debt, pay off debt on their vision boards. Finally, why the two tigers? It's because I want to have that look of conviction, that look of confidence in my eyes. The eye of the tiger, that's why. Let's take a step back and look at it again. Now, why won't this vision board work? Here's why. The reason we make vision boards is because we need to reprogram our subconscious and shift our paradigms. We need that strong visualization to help us do so. Why do we want to reprogram our subconscious? It's because our subconscious governs our behaviors, and our behaviors produce our results. That's why. Think of your subconscious as your vision board genie. If your genie sees something like this, he or she is going to be super confused. Let's look at it from the perspective of a genie. Alright, are you trying to get a metallic dress, a shield, and a golden whip? Is this for Christmas, Halloween? I don't know. Okay, I'm not sure what you mean by this. Thank you. Next. Now this one I understand. You want to join a mud wrestle. Not a problem. I can arrange that. You have to be odd to be number one. Are you telling me you need help with math? Moving on. Oh, now this is just lazy. You want to go to the beach? Get up and go there. You don't need my help with that. Come on, seriously? Do you have any idea how much a penthouse in this building is gonna cost? If you put something like a luxury building or a yacht on your vision board, you know you can't achieve that within 1 to 3 years, right? Moving on. Get out of debt. Okay, I understand your keyword, debt. You need more of that? Awkward. But okay, I can arrange that. Bloody hell, what is this? Is tigers? Is this a thing nowadays? What are you trying to achieve here? Are you trying to be like Princess Jasmine? Have a tiger as a pet? That's it. I'm out. So that's why a vision board like this will not work. Now I'm going to show you my current vision board so you can compare these two. Okay, so this is my current vision board. Let's go over the details. The first picture is a picture of my family and I at one of Disney's resorts. If you want to know where I'm from Disney. My brother and I made a pact a few years ago. We want to visit the Walt Disney World Resort every couple of years, if not every single year. We're still working towards that. The second picture is a Rapunzel figurine. I've been wanting to get one of these for so long. Rapunzel is one of my current favorite Disney princesses because I resonate with her story the most. I feel like my current comfort zone is like her tower. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone, out of my tower. And Rapunzel fought her lower self every single day. On days when she was operating from her higher self, she was like, best day ever! But when she was struggling with her lower self, she was like, oh, I'm a terrible daughter. But eventually, she was able to see the light and shine from within. That really inspires me. Next up is a Breville juicer. I want to live a healthier lifestyle, so I've been doing some research online. This is a juicer I really want to buy. Next up is a Canon EOS M50 camera. I don't have a camera right now, so I'm shooting videos with the camera on my phone. And I've always wanted to learn photography, so I want to invest in a good camera. Next up is a postcard of Vancouver. This is Cole Harbour. I went there during October this year to attend an event called Closers in Black, CIB. It's hosted by my mentor, Dan Locke. I put this up here to visualize myself going there to attend CIB 2019. And the picture next to it is related to this goal. On my next CIB trip, I want to wear this Gucci bag. I want to put my mobile, my wallet, my passport inside. Last but not least, why do I have 2 pictures of Jessica Alba? I've been going through this program that helps me make paradigm shifts. I want to change my self-image from a skinny person who doesn't exercise to someone who's healthy, fit, and toned like Jessica. And I feel like I need more visual aid to help me really let that sink into my subconscious. So I put 2 pictures of Jessica Alba in a swimsuit. And the decorations on the right are Welch triggers. This is a golden horse. Horses are high energy animals. And of course, a Mickey head, because why not? And I had some magnets left, so I formed a shape of a triangle. I'm really into symbology, and the triangle is one of my favorite shapes. So this is my current vision board. This is something I visualize myself achieving within the next year. Okay, let's sum up the key points to making a vision board. Number 1, be clear and specific. Number 2, choose things from your 1 to 3 year goals. Number 3, don't use negative terms like loan or debt. Choose positive things. Number 4, it has to have a strong visual. I mean, it is a vision board, you know? So don't just use plain text. And if you like the motivational quotes so much, put it in an album like this. This can be your motivation, inspiration album. And last but not least, choose things you truly, truly want. It's your dreams, your goals, what you want in your life, and have fun with it. Like always, if you like this video, like, share, follow me on social media, and comment down below what's on your vision board. What do you want so bad? You are determined to reach that goal. What do you want so bad, and why? Why do you want it so bad? Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.